guys. Pangutana na to si Daddy Marco kung unsay Italian sa pan. Kay ang pare sa coffee and milk pan man guys in the morning, di ba? So, we're going to ask Daddy Marco, no? Okay, Daddy Marco, what is pan or bread? Bread man siya guys, hindi siya pan. Bread in Italian word. Hello guys, good morning. Okay guys, amo nang kuan si Kiara gihatod na sa school guys, no? Kami na lang Daddy Marco. Oh. Karon guys, kami ang magkuan guys, mangutana ko ni Daddy Marco guys about sa Italian, o sa Italian ano nga kuan guys. Example, igutom naman ko guys. I am hungry, so we will ask since Daddy Marco he don't understand Bisaya pa guys. I will ask him in English, okay, and then he's going to translate it in Italian. Okay, we're going to ask na guys. I am hungry. What is I am hungry in Italian, Daddy Marco?
Ho fame.
Oh, fame guys. So, mao to siya no ang translate in Italian. I am hungry. Oh, fame. Okay, mangutana na punta guys about breakfast guys no sa Italian word. Okay. How about breakfast in Italian word, Daddy Marco?
Colazione.
Colazione guys. So grabe kasi sila mo pronounce guys no sa ilahang words guys. Murag ka ng kalabanan na isba. Colazione ana guys.
Zeta di Zorro.
Zeta, colazione. Oh, nana guys. Mao siya guys ang breakfast in Italian. Okay, karon guys mangutana na punta guys so kung say Italian anang coffee and milk. Gutom na jud ko guys no kay wala pa man may breakfast kay gihatod ko man si Kiara guys no. Puro na ni kuan na to ang kuan topic dire guys. Okay, we are going to ask Daddy Marco what is coffee and milk in Italian. Okay, Daddy Marco, what is coffee and milk in Italian?
Caffè e latte.
Oh, mao to siya guys ang Italian sa coffee and milk. Cafe e latte. Okay, karon guys, so manatag pangutana sa coffee and milk. So unsa ginag topic man tabahin breakfast guys, itudo na nato ni guys. Pangutana na to si Daddy Marco kung unsay Italian sa pan. Kay ang pare sa coffee and milk pan man guys in the morning, di ba? So we're going to ask Daddy Marco, no? Okay, Daddy Marco, what is pan or bread? Bread man siya guys, hindi siya pan. Bread in Italian word.
Pane.
Oh, you see guys, pani guys, mura ra pud siya pan. Gikuanan ra nila, gibutang ra nila og ne, pane, pane. So mao to siya guys, ang bread in Italian is pane. So, okay guys, that's all for today guys. Kay abot na mi sa among balay, happy ta maabot guys. Mag-breakfast na sad bay guys, gigutom na gid ko. Bye bye guys. Thank you for watching.